Hello friends, welcome to IBPS guide. So today is day 8. So we'll be talking about number series. So today is the first lesson on number series. So please pay attention. Before moving on to the theory, before moving on to the question, I'll be talking about some tricks and talking about some basic concepts. Okay. So the tricks that I would like to give you before starting is you have to remember the squares of numbers. By square of the numbers I mean 1 to 30. And square root of numbers, how to find out, I have told you in the previous videos. And cube of numbers also I have told you how to find the cube of numbers, and also here 1 to 15 it must be remembered by you. Alright, this will make your problem solving skills very faster. So let us talk about next thing, that is cube root of numbers. So let us talk about next thing, that is cube root of numbers. You should know how to find the cube root of numbers, and also what are prime numbers. Prime numbers, I hope you already know what prime numbers are. If not, I'll tell you briefly what it is. So if you see, 2 is a prime number because it is divided by itself, that is 2 and 1. So any number which is divided by itself and 1 is a prime number. So if you see here 4, so 4 is divided by 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So let us see some more examples. 8, so this is not a prime number, you would say. 8, it is, what are its factor? It is divided by 1, 2, 4 and 8, so it is also not a prime number. But if you see 17, it is divided by 1 and 17, so it is a prime number. And also arithmetic tables must be remembered by you. It is better if you remember from 1 to 30. Okay, so now we'll be talking about, before moving on, I would recommend you to watch video from day 1 itself. Okay, please watch video from day 1 because it is from starting day 1 we have talked about the basics till now. We are using those concepts in our problems. So let us begin. So types of number series first we will be talking. Okay, so perfect square series. What is perfect square series? These types of series are based on square of number which is in same order and one square number is missing in that given series. Okay, so if you have remembered the square table which I have shown you in previous video, if seeing this number immediately it should come to your mind that it is square of 21, this is square of 22, and this is square of 23, this is square of 24, and this is square of 25. Okay, so 441 is square of 21, 484 is square of 22, 529 is square of 23, 576 is square of 24. So what number should come in? If you see here, it is square of 21, 24, so next number would be 25 square, that is 625. So this is perfect square series. So let us talk about next type of series, that is perfect cube series. So perfect cube series is, this type of series are based on cube of a number which is in same order and one cube number is missing in that series. Okay, if you see here, if you see these numbers, it should come to your mind that it is a cube of 11, and this is cube of 12, this is cube of 13. So what will be the next? Cube of 14. Okay, these tables I've told you to remember from 1 to 15 because in most of the exam they will ask you till 1 to 15 only. Okay, so what is 14 cube? 14 cube, if you see, it is, so 14 cube is 2744. Okay, so it should be your next term. So let us move on to next topic, that is geometric series. So this type of series are based on ascending or descending order of numbers, and each successive series is obtained by multiplying or dividing the previous number. So what we mean by this, suppose there is a number 1, 2, 4, 8. So how we are obtaining this? By multiplying 2. Okay, this is 2 into 2. So this is a pattern. So next would be, according to it, would be into 2, that is 16. So let us see the problem. If you see here, if we multiply this by 9, we get 45. Similarly, if we multiply 45 into 9, we would get 405. If we multiply 405 into 9, we would get 3645. And if we multiply this with 9, we would get 32805. Okay, so let us move on to next topic, that is mixed series. So what is this mixed series? This type of series are more than one different order are given in a series which arranged in alternatively in a single series or created according to any non-conventional rule. This mixed series examples are described separately. So this type of series are mixed, means what do I mean by mixed? So if you divide, it could be anything, the rule is not fixed. It could be multiplied by 2 plus 7, or it could be divided by 5 plus 2, something like that. Okay, you have to find the pattern in this. So let us see what pattern. If you see it is closer to 24, it is just bigger. So if you see a bigger number, it must come to your mind that it could be multiplication. Okay, because multiplication makes the number very large. Suppose 5 plus 5 will only make you 10, but if you see 5 into 5 will give you 25. So if you see bigger number, you must come to your mind that it could be multiplication. So 11 into 2 will give you 22. So what if you add 2, it will become 24. Similarly, 24 into 2 would give you 48. If you add 2, it will become 50. Again 50 into 2 would give you 100. If you add 2, it would be 102. And again 102 into 2 would give you 204, plus 2 would give you 206. Then 206 into 2 will give you 412, into 2 plus 2 will give you 414. So the missing number would be 414. Okay, so let us move on to next type of series, that is arithmetic geometric series. So as the name suggests, arithmetic geometric series is formed by a peculiar combination of arithmetic and geometric series. An important property of arithmetic geometric series is that the difference of consecutive terms are in geometric sequence. So what we mean by this is, it is a combination of arithmetic and geometric series. What are arithmetic and geometric series? Arithmetic series are something like, they have a simple fixed common difference. What I mean by fixed, see 1, 3, 5, 7. So it is in geometric progression or geometric series, because plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the common difference is 2. So it is arithmetic series. Let us talk about geometric series. So what we mean by geometric series, it is actually has a fixed number which gives on dividing the same. So if you see here 2, 4, 8, 16. So if you divide 4 by 2, it will give you 2. 4 by 2 gives you 2. 8 by 4 gives you 2, and 16 by 8 gives you 2. Okay, so these are the geometric series. So it is a combination of both of this. So if you see here, 11 plus 3 would give you, so the pattern is plus 3 into 2. It is a mixture of both. So in order to solve this type of problem, you must solve as many problems as you could, then only you will get used to this type of problems. Okay, so we'll be talking about exercise also. So let us see what could be the pattern. So 1 plus 3 would give you 4, into 2 will give you 8, plus 3 would give you 11, into 2 would give you 22, plus 3 would give you 25, so into 2 would give you 50. So the next value would be 50. Okay, so let us move on to next, that is twin or alternate series. As the name of the series specifies, this type of series may consist of two series combined into a single series. The alternating term of this series may form an independent series itself. So what we mean by this is, as you can see, there are two types of series formed. Alternate means there is a relation between this and these terms, and there is relation between these terms alternatively. You know the meaning of alternate is removing one. If you suppose A, B and C, so this and these are alternate. So this, if you go here 10 to 16, again these are related. So if you see here, series 1 is 3, 8, 3, 13 with a common difference of 5. So if you add 5 here, it will give you 8. Again if you add 5, it will give you 13. So instead of question mark plus 5, it will be 18. Okay, plus 5, 13 plus 5 is 18, so it will come 18. Again if you see here, the common difference is 6. Okay, so if you add here 6, it will give you 10. If you again add here 6, it will give you 16. If you again add here 6, it will give you 22. So the value would be 18 and 22. So we are talking about basic level of problems now. So if you see the series in here, please, if you are watching this video, so pause the video and try to solve this problem on your own. Try to find the pattern on your own. Okay, now if you see the difference between them, first of all you could check the difference. Most of the time it will work for you. So 174, if you see, it will give you 9 and 1, so the difference is 119. Okay, again if you see here 197, 174 will give you 323. Okay, so again if you see 226 minus 197 would give you 9 to 29. Okay, so what are these numbers? If you see, these numbers are nothing but prime numbers, as I have told you. So this is the prime number. After this, after 19, what is the next prime number? 20, 21, 20, 21, 22. If you see, these are not prime numbers because they have more than 2 factors, but the next number 23 is a prime number, so you can add it here. 19, then 23. Similarly, next is 29. Again, this was 19, this is 23, this is 29, this is 30, here it is 31. Again, the next prime number is 31, and again the next prime number would be 33. Okay, so let us see, 226 plus 31 would give us 752. So do we have any 257? Yes, so you could take 257. Okay, so let us move on to next problem. Let us see what is the, so if you see, if you subtract 1, it will give you this. And again, so if you see this problem, it is becoming very larger, it is becoming small, then it is becoming larger, so you can assume that there is involvement of multiplication and mixed, so it would come under mixed series. So what is the pattern? If you see, 5 into 1 minus 1 would give you 4. Again, 4 into 2 minus 2 would give you 6. Okay, so not 6, so 4 into 2 minus 1 would give you 7. Again, 7 into 2 minus 1 would give you, into 3 minus 1 would give you 20. Then 20 into 4 minus 1 would give you 80, 79. Similarly, 79 into 5 minus 1 would give you what? You see, 75 is 5, 4 carry, 35, 39, so it would be 394. Okay, so your correct answer would be D. So let us move on to next series. So if you see here, the number is becoming very larger, so there would be either involvement of square or multiplication. Okay, if you see, what is the difference between 1, 4, 6, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, so we are, the difference is 121. So again, 3, 1, 9, 4, 1, 4, 6, 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8, 2, 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, sorry, there is some mistake, let me see. So 3194 minus 1466 would give you 14 minus 6 is 8, this is 2, and 11 minus 4 is 7, and this is 1, so this is 1728. So if you see, this is the square of 11 and this is the cube of 12. Okay, let us see one more. This is 3363. Okay, and 3194. If you subtract, you will see 9 comes here, then 15 minus 9 is 6, then 1, and so 169. So we have 169. This is the square of 13. Again, this would be the cube of 14, this would be the square of 15. Okay, so here if you see 6107, 15 square is 225, 2 1 carry 3 3 6, so the correct value would be 6332. So the correct option would be A. Now again, let us move on to next problem. If you see that the difference is not very much, so you could assume it could be difference, it would be something related to difference of the numbers. Okay, if you see, the difference between that is, if 5 comes here, then 1, 15 comes here, again 2 comes here, okay, then 2 comes here again. Then let us see the difference between these two numbers again. Then 194 minus 158 would be 14 minus 8 is 6, so there should be 36. Let us see again, if you see here, the difference would be 57. Okay, now do we have any pattern? We are not having any pattern, so you can do further division, because in exam you might get further division also, it could go deeper. So let us see what is the difference. That is 7. Again, the difference between these two numbers is 14, and again the difference between these two numbers is 21. Okay, so here it would be 28. So 57 plus 28 is 5, 1 carry, 8, so 85. So all you can do is add 85 to this number, 256 331. So this is 6, 3, 1 carry, it is 336. You can simply take answer to be B. So let us move on to next problem, that is question number 90. So if you see that the difference between the numbers is very small, so you could assume it is something related to subtraction or addition. If you see here, minus 2, minus 2 again here, and again minus 6, and again, so we are not getting any pattern. So let us try another thing. Let us try with alternate series. So if you see here, it is minus 4 and again something and again something, and again let us see here the alternate. Here what we have here is 88 plus 4. 88 plus 4 would give us 92, and again plus 8 would give us 100. Okay, so according to that rule, the here it would be minus 8. So 86 minus 8 would be 78. So do we have anything here? 78? Yes, we do. So you can take answer to be A, that is 78. So hope you understood all the concept which I have taught you. Alright, and if you enjoyed the video and found it knowledgeable, please give it a like, and please express your views, how you are feeling about the videos, if you are enjoying it, if some changes are to be made. Okay, and do subscribe to the IBPS Guide channel and do share with your friends. Thank you.